What up, MCG family? This is Calvin with the MuscleCarGang. Guys, I want to take a look at the Chevelle today, but first I want to thank all the new subscribers that are a part of the MuscleCarGang community. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and engaging with the content. Guys, I got new content coming, so just be patient with me. This is my Chevelle. I had it for 3 years. This is my project, baby. And I got some things I want to look over. I've been stockpiling parts for her. So I'm going to take a step back and let you guys take a look at her. 20s all the way around. Take a look in the front. That stance is nice. We're gonna go under the hood. I'm gonna give a start for you guys. We're gonna take a look in the inside. Original Chevelle interior. We are gonna be going electric windows. We're gonna be putting a Dakota digital dash in here. See the horseshoe shifter. We're gonna be going 6-speed. See, we definitely gonna be upgrading the electrical system in here. I already got that, but we definitely gonna be upgrading the electrical system in here. Of course, we're going AC, vintage AC. Definitely gonna be putting some dynamite in. Stop this heat. Some 6x9s in the back. So interior is solid. Definitely want to go with some racing style seats in here. We'll give it a start. Let you guys listen to her. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna set the camera down for a second, guys. I'm gonna pop the hood and we're gonna go under the hood. All right, let's take a look under the hood real quick. All right, so what we have here is, this is a newly rebuilt 454, untuned, untouched. Previous owner just dropped it in here and didn't do anything to it, but just had it rebuilt. So nothing special here. Yes, it has power, but it definitely needs a tune on it. So it's about close to 1,700 miles on it. I haven't done anything major to it because I'm actually want to swap it out for LS engine. I know a lot of big block guys say, hey man, you should throw an aluminum top on it. You know, you can get a lot of power out of it, but it's still a pretty heavy engine. So the plan is to LS swap it, firewall it, do all the gutting in the inside, keep the double fans set up. New wiring, complete new chassis from front to back. But the plan is to sell everything that he did to the car himself. So the motor and the trans are pretty brand new. Actually, everything under here is brand new. From the engine, the fans, the brake booster, the front accessories on the engine. Let me see, all the chrome, it's a mild rebuild. Even the tires, the disc brakes, the 20s, all of that is brand new. When I got the car, he just did a mild restoration on the car. There you go, y'all. There you it go.
Yeah.
There it go. It's going.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this car. Oh.
Oh my God.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
Seen it in person. Oh my God.
He live with his community.
Oh my God. Beautiful car, solid, but it still had that kind of rugged drive. Now the suspension can be beefed up on it, but I'm deciding that, you know, instead of doing a piece here, a piece there, I'm just gonna go with a whole complete chassis from front to back. I've been looking at some different chassis companies. I'm going to put a IRS in the back, an independent rear suspension, to handle the horsepower that I'm going to have under the hood. So it's a pretty good engine. It's a little dusty now because it's been sitting in the storage. So every now and then I come down and I start her up, drive her around. So all chrome, man, beautiful car. So when I got the car, I didn't have the need to rush and do a rebuild on it because of how the setup on the car was already done. So to allow me to stockpile parts, save me some money, do my research on different companies of the engine I want to go with, bigger disc brakes I want to go with, muffler, the exhaust setup I want to go with, wheels, get the keys so we can take a look at the trunk. So I want to do a lot of big things to the car. And also, if you guys have a project you're working on, let me know in the comments, what are you working on? What type of style of car you have? What are your plans for your build? How long have you been working on your build? How long have you had your car? So as you can see, I got some Dynamat in the trunk. I got my car cleaning solution here as well. Beautiful trunk. A number of things he done with the car. He did the paint job on the car. I mean, he dumped a lot of money into the car. I got it in during the pandemic, so he was a little up for cash. And I got it at a steal, so you can't, I didn't want to sit on the cash when I can get my actual dream muscle car. And I took advantage of the opportunity and got it at a great price. So everything was new. He put brand new disc brakes on it, brand new tires, brand new American racing wheels. These are 275 35 20s on the back. On the front are 245 35 20s on the front. Love the stance. I love the setup. I'm gonna take a look from it from the back so you guys can really get a good glimpse of the stance. Car is solid, no rust. Small scrapes here and there in the paint job, that's no biggie. My biggest thing is to bring it to a point where it drives like a modern car, where I don't feel all the bumps, the rolls in the car. I love the lips on the front and the back. Car is dirty, but you can still see the paint just shine. All right. So definitely we're gonna be upgrading the wiring on the car. I'm gonna get some new, so everything that you see now, I'm pretty much gonna sell it. Get that money back. And of course, it only needs a few things, but I'd rather take that money, put it towards the new build. I mean, I'm quite sure you guys understand. So the new wiring coming, New windshield wiper motors, all that is going to be brand new. Like I said, I'm going to do the tilt. I have the new tilt steering column system. I have the new steering wheel system. I have the new trans tunnel for the new transmission that's coming in. I have the electrical American wiring system here. I have the electric window system here. Man, we're going to be doing some really big things. I'm going for a Pro Touring setup, guys. The engine that I'm looking at is a Nelson Racing 427,000 horsepower blown engine. But he recently, the team over there just did a twin turbo 454, puts about 1,200 horsepower. I don't know if I want that much horsepower, but it stays in alignment with the Chevelle. It's at 454. So I definitely have, man, guys, I have huge plans for my Chevelle. So don't forget, guys, let me know in the comments, what are some plans you have for your Chevelle? All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop the hood. What we're gonna do is start her up. The 454 sounds extremely strong, very solid, reliable 454 he put in the car. As it sits now, it's at 17,470 miles on his engine. So whoever gets the engine is very solid engine. The fans work very, very well. When it's hot outside, she stays around 200, 205. Fan kicks on, drops the temperature down. So it has no AC, radio work, my cigarette lighter works. So pretty much solid. She's a solid build. New interior throughout the car when he did the rebuild, new dash, but I am going Dakota Digital. All right, so what we're gonna do is, we'll take it around the block for a second. This baby gets up and go. When you give her some gas, she goes. This baby got some speed on her. So like I was saying, very solid build when I purchased. Didn't have a need or rush, have the need to rush and do anything with her for a couple of years. Now I'm at a point now, so I got plenty of parts stocked up, and now I just want to go ahead and just start putting them on the car. I just heard the fans kick on. Also, I'm looking to reconnect my cow hood inductor that was working. I definitely want the carburetor to breathe on this baby, so I'm gonna reconnect that. This is a very solid build on the car. So that's it on the review. Looking forward to doing another one on all the parts I have stacked up for the car. And like I said, if you're a part of the MCG community, and if you're not a part of the MCG community, what builds are you working on? Drop them in the comments. Let me know the parts you have for it. What have you already done for it? If you're saving for one, drop them in the comments. Let me know what you guys are working on. Don't forget to like and share and comment and subscribe. Guys, this is Calvin with the MuscleCarGang community. And I look forward to talking with you guys next time. And I want you guys to stay up to date with the builds. And I want to stay up to date with you guys' build. All right, so next time, peace, guys.